What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna just bring you along for the drive. I'm driving from Brisbane to Victoria, Melbourne, Victoria. I'll chuck the map up here just so you guys can see how far it is. It's roughly about 1,700 kilometers. But yeah, we're doing it in a little turbo hatch, 1.6 litre. She's got 348,000 on the clock as we sit, so we'll tick one over to her and see how she goes. This stop-start traffic is crazy crossing the border. Check this out. Stop, start, stop, start. Car does not like running fucking stop, start, man. Literally just cruising first gear for the last 10 minutes. Gives you all an idea on what the Gold Coast border crossing is like to New South Wales and Australia. Made it to Coffs Harbour, push through here, keep pushing through the night. Hopefully we'll hit Sydney by midnight. It's what are we, 7:30 Brisbane time, so 8:30 Sydney time. It's not too bad actually. Macca style. We officially hit Sydney. Oh, we're in the Sydney tunnel. Give it a rip, eh? Wind the window down. Slow down a bit. It's got to be one of the smoothest cars I've ever been in. That's from fucking 1992. 30 years old and she's still smooth as daisies. What's up, guys? Back again. Finally got a bit of daylight out here. You see out the front. Car's been running spec. been holding 13.3 the whole way. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. 60 psi oil pressure. And because we're driving at night time, it's bloody 22 degrees return temp into the radiator there. So you got your AFRs, oil pressure, return temp to the radiator, and boost gauge. Little roller going strong. Woohoo! You have to excuse the bug splatter on the windscreen, but as you can see, gorgeous hinterlands. Absolutely beautiful. Bloody proud of the Corolla, man. When you think about it, we're doing 1700 Ks, we've got 500 K to go. I've been driving for 12 hours and the engine has not had a cool down at all, and it's still running perfectly fine. A 30-year-old engine, 30 years old, mate. Like, I cannot believe I've blown it up once, put a new head on it, turboed it myself, tuned it myself. Couldn't be more proud, eh? That's awesome. The fact that I'm 12 hours in is really reassuring from my work. Alright, we're officially in Victorian border. Happy days. Beautiful country out here. Well, we made it. The little Corolla that could. Really surprised with this thing. She just did 1700 Ks in about 16 and a half hours. You beaut. Didn't even go over 50 degrees the whole trip. I drove through the night to keep it nice and cool, which was good. But yeah, Stayed under 50 degrees the whole way, didn't skip a beat. Did 1,700 miles and it cost me $280 in fuel, so averaging almost 440 kilometers a tank, which is bloody awesome. A few Americans out there, it's 1,700 miles, 1,700 kilometers, 1,000 miles, so pretty big milestone for her. She's 30 years old, so really happy. But yeah, I only live half an hour away from Heathcote drag strip now, so I'm going to take her down there, see what she'll punch out on a quarter mile, maybe even turn the boost up a bit, see what we can get out of it. But thanks guys, be sure to hit the thumbs up and give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.